I know you're making up the truth. Why can't I go before I lose my cool? I love you even if it's difficult.
Hello, my name is Abraham, and I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about my experience and some questions so you can know better what was my experience doing this project. So why was your individual collaboration important during this activity? Okay, so in my opinion, I think it was one of the most important because I was able to make the graph. So without the graph, we couldn't do anything. Of course, my other two classmates worked too, but I think without the graph, the graph is the most important thing, so we could have an easy way to do the rest of the project. So yeah, what were the strategies to achieve the goals set by the team? Okay, so we literally just said we're gonna do this right now. So this class we're gonna do just part 1, this part 2, and like that, because we didn't want it to have homework for us to do in our free time. So we just said we're gonna try to achieve to this part of the project in this class, so we didn't have to do that much at home. What did you do when one of your teammates contribute with ideas? Okay, so basically we all our presentation, it has a little bit of ideas of everyone. If someone said an idea, we'll hear it and then say yeah, I think this is gonna be a great idea to our project, or we come out with another idea. So basically we hear all the ideas and vote, so we will know what was the best idea. And for the last, to achieve the team goal, what was your contribution? So I think my contribution was first make a graph and help with other stuff that my teammates wanted me to do, the presentation, the graph, and other stuff, and also saying we're gonna do this right now, so we have our timeline ready. That's all for me.
Hi, I'm Gabriela Botello, and this is my part of the key activity videos. I think what was important of my collaboration during this activity is that I have my unique and own way of doing stuff, which maybe helped my teammates understand this activity better and come up with new ideas. I as well think that by doing our individual collaborations, we get to analyze our work and therefore learn. Our strategies to set the goal were first understanding the topic and what we needed to do, and then gathering all of the data for the graph, and finally graphing it. When one of our classmates contributed an idea, we listened to it. After that, discussed it and took everyone's opinion into consideration for reaching a solution. My contribution in accomplishing the team goal is that I helped try to figure out how the graph was made, and also helped answer some of the questions in the activity which were analyzed in the graph recently made. And with that being said, I think this was a great activity to review and apply the topics seen before into real life. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sofia, and I'm going to be answering the questions from our project. So the first question is, why was your individual collaboration important during this activity? So I think it was important because I helped in some sections while my teammates were doing another things. I also think it was important because we managed to create an equal amount of work, so there wasn't a person that was doing more homework or more work during class or during home. So I think it was important so that we could just do the same amount of work, and also contributed to finish the work. And yeah. So the second question is, what were the strategies to achieve the goal set by the team? So a really important strategy, in my opinion, was doing all the work when we were the three together, in person, because I think you do more work, you get less distracted, and you work more efficiently because you have, your teammates in person, so you can ask them questions, you can work together. And I think that was really important to do all the class work during class. So the third question is, what do you do when one of your teammates contributed with ideas? So of course we listened to the ideas. We also could find a way to incorporate those ideas into the work, because we wanted to create a work where all the ideas from the three of us were in the work. So yeah, I think we would just listen to them and incorporate it in the work. So the last question is, to achieve the team goal, what was your contribution? So my contribution was to help making the video. So I would be editing the video and putting all our individual videos together. And also I would help answering the questions from the slides while my other teammates were doing the graphs. I would just answer the questions and yeah, the little things that were left, and I would just do that. Thank you.